Okay, so let's assume your louvers have popped out, you've removed them yourself, or they've come apart during shipping. So the way you would put them back into your vents is you would actually make sure that they're aligned, put them back into the clips. Once you've done that, make sure it's flush. This will make it a lot easier when you're putting them back into the vent. As you can see, the clips that are holding the louvers together, you don't want them to actually be here. We want them to just be to the side. So once you are trying to put the louvers back into the vent, all you gotta do is try and push it to one side as much as you can, and then put some pressure, and they should clip on easily. After that, as you can see, there's more to one side because of what you did. So all you got to do is now with your flat screwdriver, put a little bit of pressure to slide it more towards the center. Once you do that, now your louver is perfectly aligned and it looks great.